really cool in the back. Yeah, you can see the shadow, and that's what catches the most attention.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that. I missed all the shadows. Well, damn.
Get back on. Just like you don't want anybody messing with your Sprite, don't mess with my smoke.
You never gonna live that one down.
Never.
Never.
But that's real how you have to do it to get it like that.
Don't put your hands back. I saw you blow your breath.
Didn't mean to mess it up that bad.
Can you please step away from the table?
You see him coming like over here? Starting to get a lot better at this. Yeah, you're also not inhaling for very long either.
Mm-hmm.
Can't handle that.
Well, man, I don't always blow out before I do it.
Yeah, you gotta
Maybe
exhale
only
all your air out of your
No,
lungs
I'll
as much as
try
possible.
I tried to get it with my.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Makes it
Look
look
at that.
like it does all
What?
right. That was the phone.
I saved it.
Look at that shadow. That was crazy.
Put you back on the table.
The adults, the teenagers.
Mm-hmm. I'm in the correct category.
Well, teenagers.
Just teenager.
But you're filming sad.
There's only
I'm a
one
teenager.
in the room.
I thought
I'm fixing to give y'all one good one.
Yeah, there's only one teenager in the room.
I'm a teenager.
I'm technically.
You don't
teenager.
know.
Well, there's two.
I'm 13.
Yeah, he's a teen now too. So 3. Shut up.
You admit?
No one asked you. Shut up.
I didn't say anything.
Good.
Oh, I thought you. I didn't think you were like 20 or something. I thought you were still 18. Like 18.
I wonder how it would go if we both were blowing like just smoke on and let him do the tornadoes.
I'm afraid there's a tornado. I gotta go check my camper.
Yeah, a few days ago, like I think like last week I heard you saying like, oh, there's gonna be a tornado or something. I know it's gonna come.
Yep. There it is. It came. Told you.
You were right. It didn't take away your trailer though.
Nope. We'll see.
So you were also wrong.
You can be quiet now.
You were right and wrong.
Want to see my little thing here?